How to use Whiteboard in Zoom. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily use Whiteboard in Zoom. So first thing, just open up your Zoom application. If you haven't already, make sure you have successfully installed the application. And once you open the application, so let me quickly create a new meeting from over here. So once you create a new meeting over here, so once you share your screen, and if you don't see any of the whiteboard option over here, what you can do is alternatively just click on this notepad. Just open the notepad on your PC and simply open the application. And once you're inside here, finally click on this annotations or annotate button. And now you can simply use this notepad application interface as a whiteboard as well. So for some reason, the whiteboard is not enabled in my case. In your case, it should be enabled or it may be enabled. So the process is same. So now we have a pen tool, draw tool over here. You can simply draw as I'm doing over here. And from that, and you can also try clicking on the text button over here to simply start typing a text just like this with any color you want. You can use this select item to simply drag and drop different items from here and there, and you can use this select button to actually select any part of your combination over here. You can also use this tick button to make sure you have done things properly, or you can also use other items like stamp arrow, cross arrow like this, and etc. And you can also use this spotlight, like it's like it works as a highlighter to show where your mouse cursor is moving. And you can also use this eraser button to simply remove or erase everything from over here. So you can basically choose the color from there. You can also perform this undo action, which you just to revert the action which you just performed. Or you can also redo the button, which will just redo the same thing which you previously did. And you can also clear all the screen just like this. So you can also save if you have already created something fun. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.